Hello and welcome. Now today we're going to talk about spark plug wires for Pontiac. Now traditionally, they come in a few sets. A lot of people will cut and make their own. Other people don't want to go through the hassle, just buy one already done and put on. The problem with that is sometimes you run into some of the wires too long, some too short. And me, I'm not a fan of over the valve cover, just in case I got to take the valve cover off. I like them to be ran nice and neat, all that good stuff, so I went searching for a good set of plug wires that'll fit, but they're obviously not labeled for a Pontiac. Also, the straight boots versus a 135 boot. For the 135 boot, don't need a straight boot on there. I guess if you have AC, you might need it, you may not. But here's my 65 GTO I'm using as test mule. Got some plug wires on the back. Let's go look at them. Now here's got two sets. Of course, they're both Taylor 8.2 millimeter thundervolts. Great wire. Run Taylors a lot, I enjoy them, and they work well for me. Now these are the Pontiac ones. You can see the straight boots, and you can see, oddly, if it bothers the OCD, two of them are 135 boot. It's kind of annoying when you think about it. That's how a lot of Pontiac wires come. Now these are a set for a big block Chevy. You can see the part number there. Now you can see these are all the same boots on the end, so it looks better in my head. But some of the problems I ran in was these are okay length, some of these were too long, but then these are really just too short. And they needed a couple inches. So like this shortest one here is legitimately just probably what I need. So I'm going to try to put these on and see how they actually look, because see if they get me the look I want, maybe what you want. Now, considering this kit's not made for the Pontiac, you know what? Still looks pretty good where it is. See, everything's routed nice and neatly the way I did it. And one of the biggest things is there's plenty of slack up here to adjust your timing, which the other one was like kind of iffy, but this one has plenty of room to adjust timing, which is important, obviously. That looks a lot cleaner, just like that. Now obviously, you know, I don't have brake booster there, so, but I can adjust that and move that a little bit later. Yep, there it is. Fits really good. Plenty of slack in the back, like I said, to adjust your timing. Plenty of room to move stuff if you had to. Sure, some people with the AC here, you know, you may want the straights, or you may be able to have enough wire lengths to actually turn them down and come out the other way. I don't have one to try on, otherwise I would for you. That's it. Looks a lot better with these plug wires on it than it did the other ones, even though the other ones are made for a Pontiac, but you know how it is in the aftermarket world. Not everything fits like it should. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.